All right, some common phrases you would tell someone you haven't seen for a long time. Yalla. Okay, first up we have I missed you. اشتقت لك. اشتقت لك. To a male, ek. To a female, ik. اشتقت لك. To a female, اشتقت لك. And then you're going to see the spelling here. Here it's more on the Fusha side, MSA, and here's what you would typically see in like a text, you know, because this is Amiyya, Arabic. If you don't know the difference between Amiyya and Fusha, make sure to check out the free mini course. Link is in the description. But here we're teaching Amiyya Arabic, the colloquial, day-to-day practical Arabic, particularly Palestinian Jordanian Arabic, which falls under the Levantine umbrella, Levantine Arabic umbrella. So, اشتقت لك to a female. You can also say we missed you. اشتقنا لك altogether. اشتقنا لك. And to a female, اشتقنا لك. Again, the ek and the ik. Ek to a male, ik to a female. تمام? Easy peasy. Then you can say something like long time no see. Long time no see. زمان عنك. زمان عنك to a male. زمان عنك to a female. Again with the ek and the ik. زمان. زمان means long time ago. Or a long time. Okay? زمان. من زمان, since a long time. This phrase kind of means something similar to long time no see in English. زمان عنك. زمان عنك. Next time you see a friend that you haven't seen in a long time. Hey, زمان عنك. زمان عنك. Okay? And then finally we have something like where have you been? وين هالغيبة? وين هالغيبة? This doesn't literally mean where have you been, but it's like literally it means something. It means where is this absence? Okay, where is this absence? But it basically means something like where have you been or long time no see. وين هالغيبة? We know when is where. هالغيبة, this ha and il is basically either hadi il or hai il. We know that hadi and hai both mean this for feminine. If you don't know this and you want to learn Arabic, again, make sure to check out the free mini course. And then when registration opens for the full course, you will be notified when we talk about all these things. So, وين هالغيبة? وين هالغيبة? And this is just generic because you're not referring to a specific person. So there's no gender to it. Like you're not addressing, you don't have to really change suffixes because it's where is this absence, okay? وين هالغيبة? وين هالغيبة? There's no ek or ik like these because here it's referring to the person. اشتقت لك, I missed you. And then زمان عنك, long time since I've seen you. تمام? So وين هالغيبة, okay? Pretty easy. This was the video for today, short and sweet. Just a quick recap. اشتقت لك to a male, اشتقت لك. I'll do it slower. اشتقت لك to a female. And then اشتقنا لك, اشتقنا لك to a male. And then اشتقنا لك, this is we missed you, to a female. اشتقنا لك. Long time no see. زمان عنك. زمان عنك to a male. To a female. زمان عنك. And then وين هالغيبة? وين هالغيبة? Let me know what other phrases you guys have heard. And yeah, just drop them in the comments. احكولي بالتعليقات. Let me know in the comments. وبشوفكم الفيديو الجاي. See you in the next video.